Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Dogelon Mars especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.45% in sort of most recent 60-minute. Or so they essentially thought. ELON really has a by and large complete market cap of $168,634,364 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,389,029 in an extremely significant manner. This basically makes Dogelon Mars sort of positioning at 179 in the digital currency market, which generally is genuinely huge. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars for the most part be essentially worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Dogelon Mars an excellent venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Will ELON cost really outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely huge? These in every practical sense are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future, showing that assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars, all things considered, be fundamentally worth in 2023 in a very large manner? Dogelon Mars value forecast 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ELON cost is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $0. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ELON can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is supposed to in a real sense be at around an essentially least of $0, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. ELON value figure May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is gauged to generally be at around a kind of least worth of $0 in especially significant manner. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $0, the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a genuinely significant way. Dogelon Mars value expectation June 2023. The cost for Dogelon Mars in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, which essentially shows that assuming you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars explicitly be extremely worth in 2023 incredibly? While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, ELON value conjecture July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Dogelon Mars fundamentally is supposed to arrive at the very least value worth of $0, showing the way that the Dogelon Mars value worth can really arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. The ELON cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0, the kind of typical cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars value figure August 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for August 2023 may basically arrive at an especially least worth of $0. The most extreme estimated value sort of is around $0 in unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical cost for ELON especially is truly anticipated to especially reach $0 August 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. ELON value figure September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Dogelon Mars is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0 in especially large manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Dogelon Mars cost really is figured to for the most part arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ELON cost could explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, showing how Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023, or so they truly thought. Dogelon Mars value estimate November 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the finish of November 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. ELON could generally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0 the in every way that really matters. Least expected cost of $0, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around an especially least of $0, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars cost can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the essentially normal cost of $0 USD in a kind of significant way. Dogelon Mars kind of passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been certainly diminished by 1.02% in its fundamentally current worth, which basically shows that Dogelon Mars value figure August 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at an especially least worth of $0. The kind of greatest gauge cost truly is around $0 a huge manner. Assuming we really think about the by and large current market cap of the ELON with yesterday, you can see that the market cap basically is additionally down, which basically is very huge. Dogelon Mars truly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, which especially is genuinely critical. The ELON truly is down to nearly 6.14% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of past essentially couple of days. The coin could really have serious areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in momentary and in every practical sense, significant way. What will basically be Dogelon Mars sort of worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The ELON cost generally is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0, sort of least cost of $0, the finish of 2023. Further appearance how as per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ELON cost in a real sense is supposed to basically cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0. The normal really least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $0, which by and large is very huge. Does Dogelon Mars have a future, which really is very huge? As far as value, Dogelon Mars basically has an exceptional really potential to generally arrive at new levels, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It in every practical sense is estimate that ELON will increment in esteem, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars fundamentally is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a truly significant manner. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogelon Mars can commonly stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $0 2030 amazingly. Is Dogelon Mars truly worth purchasing in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars' worth really is supposed to generally keep on extending, as lack will in general for the most part energize cost rise. Kindly note, there fundamentally is a gamble to any speculation, so Dogelon Mars especially is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. Super put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the in every practical sense greatest exploration conceivable, or so they basically thought.